Hello children, today we are going to see MI Kids Orator program of class 2. That is standard 2, MI Kids Orator program lesson 18 talking about time. So today we are going to see about that. Those who have book, take your book page number 19. Lesson 18 talking about time. We are going to see about that. Clear children? So today we shall learn how to talk about time. Time means our schedule setup. We used to do our works accordingly. Clear children? So we are going to see that. To begin with, let us learn these phrases. Here you can see AM and PM. AM means what? Ante-meridiem. PM means post-meridiem. Clear children? AM means ante-meridiem. PM means post-meridiem. Then next one is 12 noon. Third one, half past. Fourth one, quarter to. So these are the phrases today we are going to see. So key phrases you want to listen and repeat. First one is AM and PM. Second one, 12 noon. Third one, half past. Last, that is fourth one, quarter to. Clear children? So we are going to see these four phrases today. So we are moving on to the conversation 1, page number 20. So here in this conversation 1, we are going to see one at school talking about time by using AM and PM. AM means ante-meridiem and PM means post-meridiem. We are going to see that. Okay. So the first conversation, number 1. What time does the school bus leave, Sandra? So Julia is asking, what time does the school bus leave, Sandra? For that, Sandra said, it leaves by 3:30 p.m., Julia. So she said, thank you, Sandra. I shall return the books in the library and come back. So she said, sure, but come back soon. So it's like that. So what is this conversation? She is asking when does the school bus leave? So she replies for that, it leaves by 3:30. Then she said, thank you, Sandra. I shall return the books in the library and come back. For that she said, sure, but come back soon. Clear children? So you want to do like this. You want to do your conversation like this and you want to send your videos to our school WhatsApp number. Don't forget that. Okay, children? So we are moving on to conversation 2. In this page number 21, we are going to see conversation 2 at school. Talking about time by using 12 noon. That is 12 a.m. denotes midnight and 12 p.m. denotes noon. Clear children? That is 12 a.m. means it denotes midnight. 12 p.m. means it denotes noon. Clear? So we are going to see 12 noon. We will see that how they are doing. Here the Frank and Alan is talking. They are doing their conversation by using 12 noon. We will see that how they are doing it. Okay, so number 1. What is the time, Alan? That is, he is asking, what is the time now, Alan? So for that he replies, it's 12 noon, Frank. For that he said, we are getting late for the choir practice. For that he said, let's rush. Okay, let's rush. So it's like that. So once again I'll repeat, you listen. First one, what is the time now, Ellen? So Frank is asking, what is the time now, Ellen? For that he replies, it's 12 noon, Frank. So for that he said, we are getting late for the choir practice. So Frank said, we are getting late for the choir practice. So he said, let's rush. So he want to finish it off and then they want to go for the choir practice. So it's like that. So you want to do your conversation like this, that by using, that is talking about time by using 12 noon. You want to do your conversation by using 12 noon. Clear children? So we are just moving on to the next conversation. This page we are going to see, that is page number 22, conversation 3 at park. Talking about time by using half past. Half past means what? 30 minutes after. That is now 3 o'clock means you can say like that. Half past 3. Like that. 2 o'clock means half past 2. Like that you want to say. Half past means that is that particular time, and then you want to add 30 minutes, that is after. Okay, that is half past. 3 means 3:30, that is the calculation. We will see how they are doing that. Okay. Number 1. Here Shireen and friend, they are doing their conversation. They are talking about something. We will see how they are doing it. Okay. So see here the first one. What time do you get up in the morning, Cheryl? Her friend is asking Cheryl, at what time? What time do you get up in the morning, Cheryl? For that she replies, I get up at 5:30. I get up at 5:30 means what is the time? The correct time is 5:30 a.m. Morning means a.m. Clear, children? A.m. means in the morning. P.m. means in the evening. So it's like that. So she said, I get up at 5:30. So that is what is the correct time? Correct time is 5:30 a.m. In the morning means a.m. So I get up at 5:30 a.m. So she said, instead of saying like that, she said, I get up at 5:30. Clear, children? Next, for that, she said, oh, so early? So she's asking, you get up at 5:30? So she said, yes, I need to go for my music class. She want to go for her music class, it seems. She want to go for that. So she get up at 5:30 and she will go for her music class. So like this you want to do your conversation by using half past. Half past means 30 minutes after. That is, I said 3 o'clock means actual time is 3:30 means you can say I do that that is 3:30. 3:30 means the correct time is 3:30. So you want to say like that. Clear, children? So next we are going to see conversation. Here in this page 23 we are going to see conversation 4 at home. Talking about time by using quarter to. Quarter to means 15 minutes you want to less, that is 8 o'clock means you can say as 7:45. Instead of saying 7:45 you can say it's 7:45. That is quarter to. Quarter to means we want to less 15 minutes to the actual time. That is 8. If you are saying 8 means that is actual time is 7:45. Clear, children? So we will see how they are talking about that. Here Jack and Dad is doing their conversation. They are talking about time by using quarter to. We will listen. You listen here. Here number 1. What is the time now, Dad? So Jack is asking, what is the time now, Dad? For that his dad replies, it's 7:45, Jack. So his father said, it's 7:45, Jack. So the actual time is 7:45. Clear, children? So for that he replies, thank you, Dad. I want to watch cartoon at 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. means morning or evening? It's evening. So in the evening. That is at 8:30 p.m. means it is evening. Clear, children? So he said, for that he said, okay, Jack, I will remind you at that time. So he said he will remind him at that time. So it's like that. Once again I'll repeat conversation 1. Here Jack is asking, what is the time now, Dad? For that his dad said, it's 7:45, Jack. So the actual time is 7:45. Clear, children? So next for that he said, thank you, Dad. I want to watch cartoon at 8:30 p.m. So for that his dad said, okay, Jack, I will remind you at that time. So it's like that. So you want to do your conversation like this. Ask your parents to take a video of it and ask them to send it to our school WhatsApp number. So you practice all this exercise well. Conversation 1 to conversation 4, you just read and then you practice well and ask your parents to do the video and ask them to send it to our school WhatsApp number. Please don't forget it. Clear, children? So that's all for today. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in Google Meet. So have a nice day. Thank you, children.